Hello everyone. As we did summative formula, that is calculating sum based on conditions, let's do countifs formula, that is counting based on conditions. Okay, so this dummy data is given to us: region, name, items that are sold, then revenue for each of these items. Let's count. So if we would have wanted to count how many times these values are written, like how many times the sales was done, so we would have done was count A and enter, getting this value as 9 because 9 times this thing is repeated, right? Now they want to count this column only if pencil is written. So what we have to do is we have to write count ifs, comma, select that column, comma, write the condition. So in count ifs there are even number of arguments, and first argument is always the column, comma, condition for that column, comma, column 2, comma, condition for that column, right? So it will be count ifs, column 1, comma, condition 1, comma, count column 2, comma, condition 2, and so on. So let's do it. It will be like count ifs this, comma, write pencil, enter, and we have got 2. Why? Because 2 times pencil is written. Now say they want us to count it for, say, scale. Let's do this exercise again. So what we'll do is write countifs, select this column, comma, write. We can write the text in double quotes, or we can just select it. Scale, again these two values. Now if there are multiple conditions, how we'll do it? Let's do it again. Very simple. Write countifs, select first column for which condition is needed. So we have to write pen in it, comma, select column 2, this one, comma, what is the condition here? Central. So we'll write just central, enter, and this is one. Why? Let's see, pen, pen, and center, this one, right? So this 90 value is there, just one thing is there, so that is why it has given me 1. So this is how you calculate count based on conditions. So we use countifs. Thank you. See you in the next video.